Welcome to Animals TV!
In this video, discover 10 extinct birds that once lived across the earth. From tropical islands and misty forests to cold northern seas. Listen to their calls, see their habitats, and remember the world that existed before silence took flight.
Dodo, Rhaphis cuculidus.
Habitat: Mauritius Island, Indian Ocean, extinct. Approximately 1681. Appearance: large, flightless bird with gray-brown feathers, yellow hooked beak with black tip, small wings, plump body, and tufted white tail feathers. Size: about 1 meter tall. Weight: approximately 20 kilograms. Diet: fruits, seeds, roots.
Passenger pigeon, Ectopus migratorius.
Habitat: forests of North America, extinct. 1914. Appearance: slender bird with blue-gray head, iridescent neck, reddish breast, and long pointed tail. Size: 40 centimeters long. Weight: approximately 400 g. Diet: seeds, acorns, fruits.
Great auk, Pinguinus impennis.
Habitat: North Atlantic coast, Iceland, Canada, Scotland, extinct. 1844. Appearance: flightless seabird with black back, white belly, long narrow beak, and small wings. Size: approximately 80 centimeters tall. Weight: 5 kilograms. Diet: fish, squid.
Carolina Parakeet.
Habitat: southeastern United States forests, swamps, extinct. 1918. Appearance: bright green plumage, yellow head, orange face, long tail. Size: 33 centimeters long. Weight: approximately 280 grams. Diet: seeds, fruits, nuts.
Huia, Heteroloca acuterrestris.
Habitat: forests of New Zealand, extinct. Approximately 1907. Appearance: glossy black feathers with metallic blue sheen, long curved ivory bill, female longer, white tipped tail feathers. Size: 48 centimeters. Weight: approximately 300 g. Diet: insects, fruits, nectar.
Stevens Island wren, Traversion leali.
Habitat: Stevens Island, New Zealand, extinct. Late 1890s due to cat's appearance. Small brown-green wren with tiny wings, short tail, round body. Size: 18 centimeters. Weight: approximately 50 g. Diet: insects, small invertebrates.
Moa dinornithiforms.
Habitat: grasslands and forests of New Zealand, extinct. Approximately 1400 CE. Appearance: huge flightless bird with long neck, feather body, strong legs, small head. Size: up to 3.6 meters tall. Weight: 200 to 250 kilograms. Diet: leaves, twigs, fruits.
Labrador duck.
Habitat: North Atlantic coast, Canada, northeastern U.S., extinct. 1878. Appearance: males white with black head and back. Females brown-gray, slender dark bill. Size: 55 to 60 centimeters. Weight: approximately 1.5 kilograms. Diet: mollusks, crustaceans.
Ivory-billed woodpecker.
Habitat: swamps and old-growth forests of southeastern U.S. extinct. Mid-20th century appearance: black plumage with white wing patches, red crest male, long ivory-colored beak. Size: approximately 50 centimeters. Weight: approximately 500 g. Diet: insects, grubs, underbark.
Pallas's cormorant.
Bering Sea Commander Islands extinct. Approximately 1850 appearance. Large dark cormorant with bronze-green sheen. Thick neck, orange facial patch. Blue eyes. Size: approximately 1 meter tall. Weight: 5 to 7 kilograms. Diet: fish, squid.